Hey guys, what's up? It's Spider Venom and I'm back with another video. What are you doing? And we're going to the train tracks like we said.
I'm not going to throw it, Ashley. I'm throwing it up for the idiot.
Alright, throw it.
Walking through the leaves like bang, 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 bang.
Oh, wait. Oh, I
Jump
thought
over
it was
right here. But we don't have to walk through the rock. Right.
No, I'm walking through the rock. I ain't walking through that.
It's funny because I just came here and look. Why is this my first time in dog? She's like, dog life.
Who? I don't think she gonna do it.
Look.
Riley, come on! I'm doing what you said. Cut the lane. Okay.
Ow, okay. I had to get through those thorns. You slipping. I mean, you tripping. Ow. This is hard with no shoes on.
Watch over here. Watch over here. Dad, don't put my shoes on. They don't hurt us bad. Don't hurt me. Get there.
It hurts.
Police. Get there. Right?
It hurts with no shoes. You just threw the basketball.
Hey, where's the football thing at?
Say, you good?
Right there.
Yeah, that's the football rock.
The little trash.
Oh no, and that's what you got a little bit.
All right, let's go.
Charlie, come down.
Let's go in tunnel.
Charlie.
Come on, Saeed.
Look, this is my first time on y'all.
We're going to the tunnel.
Come on.
Pussy.
Are you scared?
Go get your ball.
Don't be stuck there.
We'll get it on our way back.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Come on, Charlie.
Come on, Charlie. Don't be a woods.
Never mind.
All right, we're going down there.
I'm about to say something, but then I don't like Charlie, so it's not going to the thing I was going to say. I was going to say, I feel like the third wheel come down here, and then I won't. And then I was like, no, I don't like him. Never mind. Let me stop saying that.
Oh, this feels funny sliding down here.
This is so
Ow, 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 ow.
Yo, my butt is probably going to be white as...
Wait,
Oh,
my
Charlie came down.
Yeah, your butt is white too.
Charlie came down. Look.
Ew! I'm stepping in it.
Charlie came down. No.
Ew, what's dry spot?
You better hurry up.
Come on, Slowpokes. I wonder what our voices sound like in the video. Ow! Yeah, it's so cold though, my feet.
Just walk on the drive.
Walking on dry spots. Okay, the rest of it's dry. We're gonna go show you our names. Not our names, but our friends' names. There's Destiny, Layla, and then that one said Christine loves, but Tommy got washed off. And then here's the other side.
Layla, Christine Hart, Tommy Wascoff, Layla, Chase.
Oh yeah, I forgot to
They
show
wrote
Chase.
that to leave a phone number because they needed it at the time. That was, I don't know why they did it. I don't think they wrote that. Oh yeah. And then they wrote Destiny again, but that was she wrote it with mine. So yeah.
Alright, come on, let's go to the other part. Try not to slip. Oh!
She slipped on that dick.
That's what she said. That's what I said.
Oh!
Oh!
What? What did I say? Hey, actually, boys can take because he slipped on my dick.
On my feet. Go, Charlie.
I don't know which way y'all going. So I'm following y'all.
We're going up to that little, ow! Thornbush! Ramp part, ow. His boss hurt.
I think I got this.
On the train tracks!
I got this. Miranda, come help me.
No.
Come in front of me real quick.
No. No. I'm going across. Come on, let's go across.
I'm on top of the
These are long train tracks.
I'm on top of the well.
Hey, I'm gonna skip it in the water.
There's not.
I'm
It's
on
not
top
that
of the
deep.
well.
We're just going up
Yeah,
there.
Guys.
Hey, if y'all can find any of these boats, pick them up. They're rare. But we found like 3 before.
we found like 500.
Oh, ah, so much glass. Ow. Do they use this one, or do they use these two in the middle,
Sometimes.
or are they old
I
ones?
know they use these two.
I know they use the edge two. They're new
I
ones.
know, actually that's not about it.
Okay,
No,
we're going
put this
up there.
I thought we were going this way.
No,
I thought we were going on that.
we're climbing straight up the rift, and then leave.
Don't worry, the video tape.
If I can get up. Whoa! See, we're on like a ramp.
Moonwalking. Oh!
It's kind of hard to climb up.
Yeah, I'm about to go.
And the roof really far down, or like close. We might hit it.
Let's wait here for a train.
Let me see.
For a train.
Oh yeah, end it right there.
It's so easy.
No trains have come by today.
One. What time is it? Oh, we should. Oh,
Tom?
it's
No, 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 no.
Hey, somebody. Charlie.
Oh yeah, if this video
Go
just
down
cuts
to-
off and there's no outro, then it's
Charlie,
not our
come-
fault.
come
I
on.
promise.
Come down and sit in this square and do whatever pose, whatever game pose, school pose that you can do.
I'm going down. Record it.
Dylan, no. Dylan, come sit in this one.
That's what she said.
And do whatever pose you want to. And then Miranda, come sit in this one.
Which one? Why do I gotta be the highest up?
And then I'm gonna sit in this one. And we're all gonna take a picture. We need somebody down there. Who does not want to do this?
Hold on, I have a train. Hold on. I want to hear which way it's coming from.
Alright, Charlie, scoot up once.
That way. Oh, a train's gonna come.
Be diagonal.
Alright,
Move this
alright,
way.
cut it off until it comes.
I can't. There's no pause button.
Miranda, move this way. No, you gotta get
Just say we're ending it.
diagonal.
Hey, just say we're ending the video right here, and we'll be back with part 2 in a few minutes.
No. Because I have to run home before we can make
The ball.
Is your ball on the train track?
Really in my hand.
Oh, roll it down. No, 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 don't, because the train's coming. Yeah, there's a train coming. You didn't hear it? No.
That's how I would spell Miranda. M-A-R-D-Y-A-N-N. Miranda.
What the heck?
Miranda. Come here, Miranda. No one knows what my daughter's
Oh,
name's gonna be.
There's a lot of graffiti up here. Y'all hear it?
No one knows what my daughter's
It's coming
Y'all
soon.
wanna know what my daughter's name's gonna be?
Why?
Skylar.
My girlfriend's name is Skylar.
Raymond's in the name. And
Isn't your middle name Sky?
Sean.
Hey, I thought that said Cyan. Look, I thought that said Cyan.
This.
You hear it?
Let's go!
Ow! You were trying to. Ow! Ow! And Charlie is fine.
I thought it was gonna bounce off her back.
Hurry up so you can get over there and come back.
We're gonna grab it and go help your mom before it get rain over my train. Everybody, let's go.
I don't want to. I want to sit up here to see the train.
I'm on top. We're gonna go this. You gotta hope your booty don't.
No, my butt will.
Hey guys, y'all better hope y'all booty don't slide when y'all do this.
Oh yeah, that's
They gonna be stop.
Throw me the ball.
Charlie, throw it up.
Hey, say that y'all were sitting like this. They ain't gonna be no stopping. You go. Ah! But these pants are. Oh no.
Here, I got an idea. I'm gonna leave the camera up here so I can do tricks.
This one.
Oh, it's getting closer.
Who wants me to roll down
Hey,
the hill?
I like this one. This
We shouldn't do this to the train.
Miranda, you should do a tutorial of all these drawings and say that me, you, and Dylan and Charlie did them.
yeah. No, one video. You can't do that.
can't post it.
Like,
Oh,
I did that crown.
Illuminati.
I did that crown.
Illuminati. Illuminati.
I'm not.
Why? Wait for the train.
Just a train. You like choose a train? I've never seen a train from up here.
This is gonna be sick.
Have
And we're really close to it.
Have you touched one?
Holy shit!
Oh yeah, I'm going down here.
No, if it's coming, you have to go for the train track.
Whoa! My video hasn't cut off yet. That's a surprise.
You know, fast forward.
That's the one.
Can't.
You can't touch it from there.
Nope, I swear. I know, right? It's scary at first.
When I seen you move, I imagine you pushing it.
Oh no, that's dead.
I wonder how long it's gonna take that train to get here, because I don't think my phone can last much longer.
I mean, we can wait here. Y'all ain't scared.
I ain't scared. I'm scared of what? A train?
You wanna leave?
No.
Wait.
No.
Cause, wow, if we go down there, the train coming.
Hey, Simon, go get the soccer ball.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
They're
Whose is it?
What if it popped over it? It'd be like, boom, boom.
No, put it on the
I'm not really sorry, bro.
the train's gonna get scared when they see us up here. They gonna think we break. Did y'all hear that?
That was the lead.
That scared me. They gonna get scared. The train, whoever driving it, gonna get scared that we're up here because they gonna think we did something to the track.
That's what we're gonna do. Because no.
Y'all wanna go pull the screws out the track? No, because they gonna go and watch this video and then. No, you didn't. I can't even see it. All right, now hold
I
on.
said, I found train track piece.
Are y'all sure that train's coming? Because this still sounds kind of far away. You serious? Oh, I don't want that one. I want the one that, like, you can use a hammer to chip.
It's so
Not back there like this.
Oh, yeah, I don't think we're going to get to see the train in this video. What else y'all want to do for this video?
Know my name. C-Y.
No, no, hey, let's go over to the pond and wait until it comes and we can come up here and sit down. Come over there to the river right there. It's a wall.
Hold on. I got it. Look at my name. C-Y-A-N. Killa. Oh, look at my name up there too.
I showed you that earlier.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the
What?
next time.
No, you should try it. Try it.
Oh, crap, it's coming.
Oh, the train's here! The train's here! Oh, yeah, get out! Pussy!
Now where you?
Oh, yeah! The train's down there!
What if this shit collapse, yo?
Didn't collapse.
Why
You're the one who said you want to die.
You better hope you don't blow the horn.
Watch it be like the train gets right there and my video cuts off. I'm gonna be so mad.
video's
No, this is a slow train. Bro, I hate these. Let's get out for a minute.
No, I think it stopped. Is it moving?
God.
If that train is moving, then it's slow.
Hold on, wait, let me look it up.
Where's Charlie?
I ran. Charlie.
Oh, we gotta crawl through here. Ow! Oh, my hand on the rock.
Train's moving! Train is moving! Train is in action! Brandon, stay! Let's have this moment of our life.
Yeah, the train's coming.
Let's get Charlie, hurry up.
Why?
It's going away.
I don't care. I'm not missing this.
This is a one-in-lifetime moment.
And we've been waiting to see this.
Everybody get low. Get under here. They're gonna see you, guys.
And that train is slow.
Pretend like you're homeless. Put your phone like seat. Hide it. Act like you're homeless.
Nigga, no, that's suspicious. Just point at it. Bro, I'm finna cover my ears, bro. Fuck that. I know he's gonna blow the horn over here.
If he sees us.
Scoot back more. Why would he be looking up here?
Ow, my head is hitting the roof. Alright, here it comes. We've been waiting for this. Oh no.
He's gonna think we're dead bodies.
Go! The electric wire is making noises. I'm saying under there. pushing me. Exactly.
It's supposed to do that.
Hold that. That left hole. Dang!
Hey, let's go under to watch it. Come on.
Yeah, let's go. I'm not scared. Let's go under to watch the rest. Ow! Like there's a lot left, so we ain't gotta. We can go slow. No, I got it. Like there's a lot left.
Something might fling off. A part of the train might fling off. You never know.
I ain't never touched a train before.
And you ain't starting now with me.
Hey, it might stop. I think it's gonna stop because there's a train station up there. When it stops, y'all wanna run and touch it?